Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Good day everyone, welcome to our vlog. In today's video, we'll be going to share the most effective teaching strategies that we learned from our interview with one of our favorite teachers.
All these strategies are based on our teachers' real-life classroom experience. These practices will make learning become meaningful, student-centered, and more engaging. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
First, our teacher emphasized the importance of contextualization.
According to our teacher, learning becomes more engaging and effective when lessons are connected to real-life experiences. For example, when the teacher talks about climate change, he used typhoons, flooding, and extreme index experienced by the students to relate its lessons.
Through this approach, students are able to understand the lesson beyond its definition and see it relevant in their daily life.
Another strategy shared by our teacher is gamification. Our teacher explained that incorporating game elements into lessons increases student motivation and participation. For instance, during review sessions, the class is divided into groups and points are given for correct answers. Rewards and friendly competition encourage students to actively participate and enjoy the learning process.
Teacher also discussed visual thinking strategies. This strategy involves presenting image and asking students open-ended questions. For example, our teacher showed pictures of an environmental issues and asked, "What do you observe and what support your idea?" This helps students develop critical thinking, observation skills, and confidence in expressing their ideas.
Another important strategy is experiential learning. Our teacher shared that students learn best when they are actively involved in the learning process. For example, instead of simply explaining electricity, students are asked to create a simple circuit using available materials. This hands-on experience allows students to better understand and remember the concept.
Our teacher also highlighted collaborative learning. This strategy involves students working together in groups to accomplish tasks. For example, students may be assigned to create a group presentations on environmental issues where each member has a specific role. According to our teacher, this developed teamwork, communication skills, and shared responsibility.
Our teacher also uses the jigsaw strategy. In this method, each student is assigned a specific part of the lesson and becomes an expert on that topic. They then share their knowledge with their group members. According to our teacher, this promotes responsibility and deeper understanding. Another strategy emphasized by our teacher is community-based learning. Our teacher connects lessons to real issues within the community. For example, students are asked to observe and report on waste management practices in their barangay. This helps students apply their learning to real-life situations and become more responsible individuals. Throughout our interview, we learned that these strategies are effective because they focus on student engagement and meaningful learning.
All the strategies we shared are based on our teachers' classroom practices and experiences.
As a future educator, we hope to apply these strategies in our own teaching.
Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog.
Bye-bye!
Bye.